In this video, we're making the king of high-protein meal prep, steak. I'm also going to show you how to whip up two sides, mashed potatoes and roasted carrots and fennel. Let's get started. For the carrots, we're going to cut them into sticks. Start by peeling the carrots, then cut crosswise into 3 equal lengths. Then cut each length into 3 to 4 sticks. Once you have a few sticks of the length you want, you can use it to then measure the cuts for the remaining carrots. This will ensure they all come out the same length. Cut the stems off of the fennel, then cut the fennel in half and remove the core. Slice both halves of the fennel lengthwise. Combine the fennel and carrot in a large bowl. Pour in olive oil, add salt, add pepper, then mix it all together. Pour the fennel and carrot onto a foil-lined baking pan. Make sure to spread it out so that it cooks evenly in the oven. Bake at 400 degrees for 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, rotate the pan so the carrots and fennel bake evenly. Cook for another 12 minutes. While the vegetables cook, prepare the potatoes. Peel 4 to 5 russet potatoes, cut in half lengthwise, and then cut each half crosswise into 3 to 4 pieces. Boil the potatoes for 10 to 15 minutes or until softened. Then pour the cooked potatoes back into the pot, add a tablespoon of butter, and a quarter cup of milk. Mash the potatoes until soft and fluffy. I probably could have cooked my potatoes another minute or two to make them even fluffier, but we live and we learn. Add your seasoning, salt, pepper, a little garlic powder. It's really all you need, and then mix again. Now it's time to season the steak with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. I got a little fancy and went with thick-cut, boneless ribeyes, but you can go with whatever steak you like. Top sirloin and New York strips are also great options. Make sure you season both sides before putting it on the grill. Which hand do you use to cut a steak? Neither. You use a knife. Once you preheated your grill, cook each side for 7 to 8 minutes depending on the thickness of your steak and how you like it cooked. Despite my best efforts, I went a little bit past medium rare and my grill marks need some work, but otherwise this steak came out absolutely perfect. Cut your steaks crosswise so they fit nicely in your meal prep containers. Put 4 to 5 slices of steak into each container along with a scoop of potatoes and a scoop of carrots and fennel. Repeat the process for the rest of your steak and sides. If you were tracking your calories, I recommend weighing it out. If not, you can eyeball equal-sized portions like I did here. To reheat this meal, cook in a baking dish at 350 degrees for 9 to 10 minutes. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe so you never miss a new recipe or fitness video.